Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. In this video I would like to discuss with you, have a conversation about the shocking price difference between this 2017 Toyota Tacoma and 2024. This baby has 68,000 miles on the odometer, and the new owner, relatively new owner, decided that it needs the 60,000 mile service. So that's the reason why she's here in the shop, and we will talk the prices. As I was scrolling through the owner's glove box, searching for the registration, insurance, and possibly some service history, I discovered that there is still original window sticker. This is the birth certificate for a truck, and we can see that this description is Tacoma TRD Offroad 4x4 double cab in a super white exterior paint. She's American. She was born in San Antonio, Texas, USA. And just from that beginning, the fuel is expensive, on everybody's mind. City 17, highway 20, so combined city highway 18 miles per gallon. I'm living in the past. I'm servicing old trucks. So for me, this 2017, the way she looks, for me this is a brand new truck. And looking at the standard equipment, I will say she has everything what anybody needs nowadays. On top of it, she has a great V6 engine. It's a 3.5 liter, and it produces 278 horsepower, 6-speed manual transmission. She's 4-wheel drive, automatic limited slip differential, off-road tune suspension with the Bilsteins, locking rear diff with 8-track, and 16-inch alloys. She has backup camera and all the safety features which everybody really needs. For the comfort, she has a complete remote keyless entry system, really nice seats, fabric, not the leather obviously, and high resolution touchscreen radio with the backup camera. I believe I said that. There's absolutely everything I will ever imagine you need if you want to buy this size of pickup truck. She has that beautiful modern, I will say, aggressive face. She's a lady, so let's call it face. This is pretty truck. She's really good looking. There are some extras on her, some upgrades. You can obviously see those wheels are not OEM. This is the interior, complete black. It has that nice, actually, material. I will always choose rather this over any leather, because you will never sweat. Really cool steering wheel. All the controls, what you need on it. Here are all these extras. Typical Tacoma. I'm not trying to give you tour and learn about the truck, but yeah, I will say this is absolutely to the today's standard. There was extra option, which is a tow option. I can read it, and also the owner, the first owner, bought those matching floor mats. And for me, she's a double cab, and I really love double cabs. I'm not the guy who needs a long bed for whatever reason, being landscaper or maybe putting motorcycle in it. I just love the practicality of these cabins. So for me, maybe that's the reason why I'm drooling over her so much. This is perfect truck. And truck like this, it's pretty maintenance free except the fluids. So at 60,000 miles, you definitely should be looking cabin air filter, engine air filter, engine oil and filter change, front diff oil, manual transmission, oil transfer case, all rear differential oil change. Peter, there is one more thing at 60,000 miles on this V6. What is it? Of course, you guys know 2GR FKS has those Densos and they are rated for 60,000 miles, so it needs to be replaced. They have that special 3-tip. So normal aftermarket stores most likely don't have it. I got it from Toyota, direct from the dealer. They're like $22 each. Doesn't matter. She needs to be serviced properly, doesn't she? So to finish the options, there was optional equipment, state emissions, and then it was V6 tow package, TO, that was $650, and those floor mats for $228. And when I grabbed that, I knew it will be different price than in 2024, what we are looking at right now, but I didn't know the difference was so big. Do you know what this was the end price after all the options and delivery destination and everything? We are deformed. Our minds are adjusting to what is being thrown on us. Almost 4 years of hardcore inflation. So we got used to these trucks cost 47-50 grand. Well, my friend, in 2017, I forgot, you maybe didn't, but just a reminder, the total with destination and everything. This super cool truck costed only $35,000. That was it. And I bet you there was no markup because it's not here in this area. You wanted truck, there were plenty of them available, and they were just, selling fast, but that was it. 35 grand. And because I am caveman and I live in the past and I only fix old stuff, and we are not considering buying brand new vehicles, we think it's a waste of money. I didn't know today's price, so I went on Toyota USA and I selected your 2024 Tacoma TRD Offroad. And I tried to select exactly the same options, and as you can imagine, the price difference, instead of 35, it's a 45 grand. So in those 7 years of our evolution, the 2024 truck to me looks the same and does the same. This is really beautiful truck in my opinion, very modern, doesn't look old. We lost $10,000 on inflation or evolution of species. So I just wanted to bring it up. I don't believe that truck which costs $10,000 is better. You tell me, some of you bought one. On top of it, I believe this V6 engine is way better choice for a vehicle like this, because I did choose the 6-speed manual transmission with all-wheel drive, but guess what you get? You get iForce 2.4 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine. So I think, in my opinion, that's a downgrade. And it can be discussed, and I would like to hear your opinion and maybe expertise. Maybe you drove both of them and you will say, hey Peter, you are behind. That 4-banger is better. But I think for that grunt, the base, the bottom, torque, the V6, it's a better choice. And these are not big engines, that's pretty small size V6, very easy to work on. I'm not sure what's the real life gas mileage difference between these V6 Toyotas are always bad on gas, so I will say that 18 to 20 miles per gallon, it's absolute correct, spot on. That's the real life what people getting from them in the four-wheel drive version. I'm not sure what that 2.4 liter four-cylinder turbo can get you. Please, again, if you own one of them, share it underneath the video. So in 7 years, our dollar lost 10 grand. Instead of 35, it's 45. And then it's question if they are even available, because our lot where we live here in Northern California, the Toyota lot, it's pretty empty. There's still not very many choices to choose. I don't know if you can order yours right now and what will be waiting time, if it's 3 months, half year, how it works. And again, we never shop brand new. Obviously, I have a shop, so we rather buy a vehicle which is 10 years old for half price. So that's all from me. This Toyota and the situation gave me idea to discuss that with you. Tell me what you think about it. I think it's pretty unfortunate. I'd rather buy this truck than 2024 with four-cylinder. But it's just me. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumb up. Subscribe and have some kind of notification on, because it looks you guys don't get these videos. They are not being delivered to you. I will discuss it probably in the next one. This was just spontaneous idea for the video. I didn't plan to make any. I was fully working on that, but when I saw that windshield sticker, I'm like, wow, this is where we are heading. Well, this is what it is. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend.